Hello Nancy, I'm reading the news right now and I'm seeing that Wuhan is unlocked. The city at the center of coronavirus outbreaks in China has lockdown lifted after 3 months, with passengers immediately flocking back into trains. Yeah. So let's see if everything is really under control. So let's see this kind of stuff. It's very interesting. This is a website called the Daily Mail. And it's not the best website, the best news, but they tend to be fast and share a lot of stuff very fast compared to other platforms. That is all clear number 2. We did these different exercises, no big deal, and now we are starting the unit 7. So I'm gonna try to move ahead and don't throw it away, recycle. We know that recycling is part of our, daily life. So it's not really, an issue anymore. It used to be before because people were really, really messy and, pollution was a big issue. It still is, but if we can try to contribute to lower the level of pollution, that would be great. So now, I would say 2.6. I don't know which one it is. So let's see. We're going to try to experiment here. This is the MP3 player. You're going to see it's CD number 2. And this is the track number 3 of CD number 2. Okay.
As you listen, page 118. A. Close your book. Listen to the conversation between Michael, Lee, and Kathy to find the answers to these questions. What's the problem? How do they solve the problem?
Hold it, Kathy. What in the world are you doing? I can't believe my eyes.
What's the problem?
Well, don't you recycle? How can you throw glass away?
Michael, I was only trying to help.
I know. But I'm really surprised, Kathy. I thought you cared about the environment and...
I do care, but there's no place to recycle bottles here, and I wanted to help clean up. You make me feel so guilty.
I'm sorry. I did go a little crazy. It's just that recently I did some research on pollution and found out that we're running out of places to put our garbage.
Listen, you two. Why don't we all go through these bags and take the bottles out? I'll take them home and recycle them.
Oh, Lee, you don't have to take them all. Why don't we each take a few?
Yeah, good idea, Mike. Well, let's get started so we can all go home.
Okay, I told you
Focused listening.
Ooh, where are you?
As you listen, page 118. B.
Okay, now I'm just repeating the same stuff. So hold it. Hold on a minute. What in the world? That would be like, what the heck? H-E-C-K. What on earth? So that's cute and all, but people won't speak like that. They're gonna say other things. So where is it? Okay, hold it. Wait. Stop. Wait. Hold it for a second. I have to move my hand. Are you okay now? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, slow down. Slowly now. Hey, you guys, hold it. We're coming to. This expression does not mean that someone is holding something. We often say, hold it. It's an urgent situation to ask someone to stop. Oh, wait. Hold it. Like, stop, basically. Yeah, stop. Please, hold. Wait a minute. Hold it. So, of course, if you're carrying something very heavy with somebody, you can say that. You can say, wait a minute. Slow down, slow down. What in the world? What on earth? It's just like really a surprise, a shock. It's like, what? You can express surprise this way with people you are close to, such as friends and family members. What in the world are you doing here? That's nice and cute, but you're gonna hear people saying other things. I came to surprise you on your birthday. The question words, who, what, when, where, why, and how, can all be used in a similar way to show different strong feelings. Notice the different verb tenses in the question, the chart. So Who on earth is calling us at 4 a.m.? Yeah, I would be angry. What in the world are you wearing? When on earth will they get here? That's rare, this one. Where in the world have you been? Why on earth did you try to drive in this weather? How in the world can we get there by 8? It's already 7:30. Yeah, who in the world is calling at 2 a.m.? What on earth are you doing here? When in the world are you getting here? We have to go. So, etc. You're going to have to do this exercise. I can't believe my eyes. I can't believe what I see because I'm very surprised. It's like I can't believe it. Man, you must be joking. You know, unbelievable. I can't believe my eyes. Unbelievable. Why did you dye your hair blonde? Relax, it's just a wig. I can't believe my ears. I cannot believe what you're saying, something like that. I can't believe what I hear because I'm very surprised. I can't believe my ears. 6 months ago you couldn't speak a word of English. You've certainly learned a lot. Thanks, I study a lot and my roommate helps me. Throw something away, throw something out. Put in the garbage, the trash, to toss. To toss is informal. I hear it a lot, this one. So, to throw, to toss, to put in the garbage. Ooh, smell this cheese. It must be 2 months old. Throw it away. Toss it. Well, actually, cheese is just like, it's already fermented. It's supposed, it's not like there is a, if it's like American cheese, yeah. But if it's French cheese, it's been fermented and you can keep it a long time. I'm not saying 2 years, but a few months. So, yeah. Where are my old jeans? I threw them out. I threw them away. I tossed them. Through is pronounced exactly like through. Be sure to put the front of your tongue between your teeth and through and blow air to produce the sound. If your tongue is behind your teeth, you will be saying a different word. True. True instead of through. Through. Get rid of something to take some action so you won't have something anymore. Like you get rid of the plastic or some trash or newspapers. You can put something in the garbage or give something to a person or place that needs what you don't want. I know that you want to get rid of those old clothes, but don't throw them away. Donate them to a homeless shelter. That's a great idea. So let me just zoom in here. So they say in the United States, many people use things that are used. People often give children's clothes and toys to friends and relatives with younger children. Some people buy clothes at second-hand stores, and it is common to donate used items to help the poor. In your native country, is it the same or different? It's the same. It's the same. But they are making a big profit. I forgot the name of the store. There was a store in Portland, Oregon. You could sell your clothes over there. They were just giving you a misery, and they were in exchange. They were like, they're gonna sell them again like 10 times they gave you. So they were making a huge margin, which was not really fair. So I prefer to give them to the Salvation Army or different similar places. I think it was fair. Anyway, we stop here. This is a good introduction. Expressions are not bad. We can come back to English the American way, do a bit of this, a bit of that, and that's it. You have a nice evening, and I'll see you on Thursday. You take care, and see. Bye-bye. Talk to you soon.